Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I went on another Temu haul and got a few things that I wanted to share. There was 2 or 3 things that were really cool, so I'll go ahead and share them. So let's just get to it. All right, friends. Okay. First of all, I did get this dress that I have on. It's, I'll put pictures up of some of these things. Anyway, this is just a black, it's kind of the fabric's kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of a gauzy type fabric. I really liked it in the pictures, so I went ahead and picked up 2. I picked up the black one, and then I got this blue one, and blue is another color that kind of looks good on me. So here's what it looks like. It's just got the V-neck. It's got kind of a little ruffle sleeve. So anyway, those are just nice for me. I wear dresses all the time, and I can wear these in the winter. I can also throw a little sweater over it or whatever. So I really am happy with these. I believe I paid, let me look this up here real quick. I think these dresses were only like $10. Seriously, and I like it. So I may get another color. I don't know. That was a really good buy. So anyway, 2 of these dresses. I also got another, I just wear these. I've worn some in videos before, but these are just little summer sundress type things. I wear these all the time at home when I'm just, I don't know, lazing around or whatever. So anyway, I got one of those. So those were all under $10. So that was kind of a fun find. And so the next thing we're going to get to is, let's see, I'm going to pull stuff out here. I got some washcloths. They're really nice. It's a 5-pack. They're really nice ones. They're just great for my kitchen. I like that they're black. I like the fabric. If you can see, I don't know. They feel really good. So anyway, I'm excited. I don't know if that $9 is right, but if it is, they're probably worth it to me. So I might even just have 10 on hand, because right now I have pretty much like 2 or 3 washcloths. So anyway, so that was a good find for me. And that's the 3rd thing I have on here. The next thing I'm going to pull out is, okay, I got a crap load. Like seriously, you know, I used to buy all my nails from Red Aspen, which I still love them, but they're just, to spend $14 to $18 on this set of nails is just a lot for me when you can get them for $2 at Temu. And I have a tip here. So here's, I just got several: pink, blue, bright, black. These are black like shimmer, like sugar shimmer, rough, I don't know, glitter. That's what I'm thinking of. Then just plain black, more of this pink. I got some kind of like this. And let's see, I know there's more in here. Well, I like to have a selection, so I hope these will get me through a few months. So here's these just break off, but you can always file these down to the softness you want. Love these gold ones. I like the almond shaped nails, so that's why I went for like everything they had in almond. And I don't have them on right now. I need to put some on, so I don't know which ones to pick to put on. Black might be good for October, right? I don't know, but I have a tip that I'm going to share with you. So I'm going to open up these nails. I already kind of prepped my nails because I was going to get them done. But I'm going to share a tip with you. So I found some glue from Amazon that I like for my nails. So this literally takes like no time. A lot of their nails from Temu come with like glue strips or whatever. That looks like right for my thumb. Okay, so I just take this glue right here. I got it from Amazon, and there was several of these in here. This glue seems to work really well. So I just put a little bit of glue on my fingernail like this. And then I take some glue put it on the back of the nail like this. Well, I'm not showing you guys here. There we go. And then I have it on the nail here. And then I just take the nail. And you gotta put it, once it's on, it's on. So you gotta make sure you place it just right. Get it into there, right up to your cuticles here. And then you just press on it. Sometimes it gets messy with the glue. Just hold on to it for this glue. I used to have to hold on for like 10 or 15 seconds at least on each one. This one you don't really have to. The glue just sticks. And last time I tried this, these lasted at least 2 weeks. Sometimes they'll pop off, but it's so easy to put them back on. It just takes a second. So there we go. We got black on. Black dress, black. We're ready for October. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on after the video. I'm gonna finish what I started. But anyway, so if you I just have one nail right now. Anyway, so there's all the nails, and like I said, those are all, most of them are under $2. Sometimes you'll get one just over $2. So the next thing I'm pulling out here is, I don't know if all the rest are that, or what else did I get? Oh, I will share something that I can't pull out and show because it's dirty, because I wore it for like 3 days or whatever and loved it. And this is really bizarre. So I am always on a bra hunt for a good bra, but I like sports bras or just something that's just really comfortable. I want to be comfortable. So I don't know, but anyway, bras are not comfortable usually. I mean, now they're starting to make them more like sports bras and stuff that you can wear. But I got this bra at Temu. I'm going to put a picture up here. And you guys, it was only $3.99. And I just got it for the heck of it because it looked kind of cool, like what I was wanting. I love it. I wore it for like 3 or 4 days straight. And anyway, so it lasted. I don't know if it'll last the wash or how long it will last, but it was comfortable and so affordable. So I'm going to buy some more. But anyway, here's a picture. So yeah, that was a good buy. So that was also in this package. Now I did get something else in here, and they're all Christmas gifts for just like friends and neighbors. And what I got was, you can see back here, this love thing. I just think these are so cute. You can just put them up anywhere. They're small, but they can be put up anywhere. So I got these, and I got them in 3 different colors because they were actually running out, and I had to I think the gold ones, I got the last gold ones they had. And so then I got white, and I love playing with these. Anyway, don't get me started. Okay, and then I got red. Here's a red one. So I thought these would be fun at Christmas, just to put a little tag on it, and maybe a scripture or a thought on love. So anyway, I just thought that'd be fun. So these are just little handout gifts. I think I paid around $4 for each one of these. Let me look it up. They say $4.83, I think, but I thought I paid less than that. I thought I paid just around $4. But anyway, here they are. I think it's a great little Christmas thing for neighbors or friends to hand out. Like I said, with a scripture maybe from Christ about love. So that was the last thing I got. I got several of these. I might end up getting more because I thought they were fun. And I usually like to spend, sometimes I spend more, but I like to spend under 10, but it's nice if I can get them under 5. So anyway, so then I can get more and do more with them. But that's that. I think that's it for my Temu haul. It was fun. The bras, the dresses, the washcloths, love all of them. I'm happy with their nails. Like, this nail feels great. Anyway, so if you want to try, I can put a link to this. It's also on my Amazon storefront for this glue. There's other glues too. This just happened to be the one I tried, and it works really well, so I can speak for it. Anyway, so I'm gonna get off here and get the rest of my black nails on. But let me know what you think of my Temu haul. Did you have any favorite items? And anyway, I appreciate your support. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel. I'd love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel. That would be awesome. And thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.